Okay, let's take a little tour of 9714 Midland. It's being offered by Coast to Coast Auctions. There's the website that you can go to bid, and the phone number to call. It's a brick home. Some vinyl windows. It's got vinyl soffit and fascia, or at least it has soffit and fascia. I don't know if it's vinyl, it might be aluminum. There's a lockbox here. If you're an agent, you can contact me for the code. So here in the front room, you can see that it has a ceiling fan and it works. There are vinyl windows, the tilt-in kind, all around. So that's a nice upgrade. The house does have a nice stained glass window. You can see there with a light behind it. The kitchen is nice. Also has those vinyl windows. Ceramic tile floor. See the vinyl windows there as well. There's the big garage outside. The kitchen has a pantry. This house is being sold by auction, so it's for sale by auction, but people can make a bid, or an offer rather, and shut down the auction if the owner accepts it. That would be on our auction contract. Contact me at 314-680-8598 for details. Here's the first bedroom. Also has a ceiling fan and the nice windows. Good tall ceilings. And here's the bathroom with the walk-in tub. Here's the second bedroom, also with a ceiling fan and the vinyl windows. Let's go upstairs and look at the bedrooms up there. The house does have a whole house attic fan. And here we are in the third bedroom upstairs. It has the vinyl windows. Here's the fourth bedroom upstairs. Vinyl windows. This is the second full bath. Has a shower upstairs.